if you're following along with our strategy as a partner, it's very cost effective. I won't call it cheap because it is not cheap. There's a lot of money that goes into researching the companies that we use, a lot of subscriptions. The ministry does spend quite a bit of money on making sure that we do have good, sound, biblically responsible companies for you to invest in. So for $85 a year, you can be a partner, not a month, a year, and you will get access to the partner side. You will be able to see our asset allocation models for the different age groups. And very soon, you will be able to see again the buy list. And the way that works, it's a system that we tell you what the best stocks in every sector are for under the current market conditions if you're building a portfolio, and you use the asset allocation models to manage your portfolio, to rebalance periodically. For $124 a year, you can be what's called a prime partner, and you get everything that I just mentioned, plus access to a portfolio tracker where you can input all of your positions and it will show you in a very nice bar chart. You can tell at a quick glance if you're over or underweighted in any particular sector. And so it's a great tool to have to make sure that your asset allocation is right, because in real estate they always say there's three key things to know or that make a piece of real estate successful, and it's location, 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 right? Well, the same thing I would say is true in investing. It's all about allocation, allocation, allocation. So if you can find a strategy that you believe in and have confidence in, then you stick to that strategy. So if that's with financial issues, that I think that's a really great thing. You hear people call in all the time and talk about how well it's worked for them, how they understand what they own, because that's key. As we see volatility in the markets, it brings in uncertainty for people. And when people get uncertain, they become scared. And when they get scared, they just kind of either freeze up or they think, I've just got to get out of everything and I'll be safe if I go to cash. Well, you really need to have some basic understanding in what you're doing and why you're doing it, whether you're doing it on your own or whether you're working with a professional. Knowledge is key. So it's ignorance that breeds fear, and ignorance is basically just not knowing. So we're so glad that you're listening to us here at the ministry, that you're starting to understand these concepts. And as you become a partner, you'll see how you can actually build a biblically responsible portfolio, honoring God, giving God first place in your finances, and being a good steward by investing the resources.